Hi, my name is Emma Rodwin, and I work with the intermediate program here at Butler Montessori. One of the things that is probably the most special about the intermediate program is community. It's one of those words that we talk about constantly, and by the time the students are in the intermediate program, they really feel like the Butler Montessori community is their home. And this really becomes a huge part of their experience in the intermediates. Adolescents are hardwired for social connection and communication with each other, and all of those things help to bring them closer together as a community. Every week we have what we call a community meeting where the students sit down and talk about what's going on in their lives and what's happening in our classroom that we need to work on. They also have community lunch where a small group of students will prepare lunch for the whole group. Activities like these just help everybody to feel like they are a part of the group. And this is a unique part of Montessori adolescent education called valorization, which means that every adolescent in the program feels like they have value to contribute to the group, right? And that they are valued by others. And during those adolescent years where it can be tough to feel like you have friends and fit in with other people, feeling like you're really an important part of a community that actively works on community every single day is something that is just priceless.